What it do, yo? Here I am with an update with the On3 Performance Turbo Kit. I have been daily driving this here in the winters of Minnesota lately, and just figured I'd give you an update on how she's doing. So, obviously you can see I'm changing my oil. Anyway, the kit itself, outstanding. I've got an open dumped wastegate there. Right now my exhaust isn't even connected, if you can see. Just for clearance, the pipe and the kit, it's nothing to do with anything they screwed up. It's just when I hit the two-step, the car will blow off the whole the coupler, whatever I had. Anyway, so I have the On3 Turbo right there. I believe it's a 72 millimeter ball bearing. This guy right yonder, the AC, I had to do some editing, call that. That's fine. You can see where it was rubbing there, so I just bent this. And the AC still works great. Let's see, I have their little canister. These threads are the smoothest you'll ever, I guarantee you, one of the best machined tanks I've ever seen. Let's see, it has about, I don't know, 20,000, 30,000 maybe miles since I put the turbo kit on. And I'm no genius. You can see many examples of my genius right here, right there, right here, etc., etc. And if I could put this together, you guys, you can probably way better and have the same result. Like I said, zero issues. Literally, the biggest trouble this car has given me has been putting a new battery in it. So, anywho, hope you guys are doing good at home. And that's how the old On3 Performance Turbo 2 valve is doing. Have yourself a good day.